Good morning, kids. Hope you are doing good. Today we will complete worksheet 1, question number 6 to 10. Okay. Now a whole into x plus y plus b whole into x minus y equal to a square minus ab plus b square, and the second equation is given a whole into x plus y minus b whole into x minus y equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Right? Now we'll have to convert it in standard form. How? A into x, ax, a into y, ay, b into x, bx, b into y, by equal to a square minus ab plus a square. Now, if we will take common x, I will get x whole into a plus b plus y whole into a minus b equal to a square minus ab plus b square. Right? Similarly, a into x, ax, a into y, ay, b into x, bx, and minus minus plus b into y, by equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Now, ax minus bx, from there, if I take common x, a minus b, and from here y, a plus b equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Right? If this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this will be equation number 3, and this is 4. Now suppose that I want to eliminate y, right? Just look at its coefficients, right? A minus b and a plus b. So the entire equation I have to multiply with a plus b, and this entire equation I have to multiply with a minus b. So let's multiply. If I multiply a plus b with this entire equation by a plus b, and this entire equation I have to multiply with a minus b. Correct? Now a plus b into x into a plus b. So I will get x a plus b whole square. Here y a plus b into a minus b, I can write a square minus b square. And here it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, here it is a minus b into x, a minus b whole square, y, a square minus b square, and a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Now, check the sign, both the signs are equal, so in that case we have to subtract. Right? So this entire term will get cancelled. So what remains here? X a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now, if you remember the identity a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square, that is the identity of a cube plus b cube. Yes or no? This entire one, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, this one. And this one, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, similarly, it is the identity of a cube minus b cube. So I'll write here a cube minus b cube, right? So now, x a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So when I'll open the bracket, I'll write a square minus b square plus 2ab is equal to a cube plus b cube. I'll simplify it. This right hand side, and I got this minus a cube and plus a cube will get cancelled. Here minus a square plus minus b square plus b square. So x 2ab means x into 4ab equal to b cube. So x equal to b cube upon 4ab b square. So can I write x equal to b square upon 4a, x equal to b square upon 4a. Sorry, b cube plus b cube, I will write here 2b cube. So 2 will get cancelled. 2b square by 4a, that means b square upon 2a. This is the value of x, right? Now I will put the value of x in any equation, then I will get y. Now that was the equation I got, right? After simplification. After simplification, the first equation I got that equation. X whole into a plus b, y whole into a minus b equal to a square minus b plus b square. And I am going to put the exact value of x, this one, b square upon 2a here. So put here b square upon 2a whole into a plus b. B square upon 2a whole into a plus b. Now plus y whole into a minus b. Plus y whole into a minus b equal to a square minus ab plus b square. Now, if I multiply this b square upon 2a into a, so a will get cancelled, so I will get b square upon 2. B square multiplied by b upon 2a, so I will get b cube upon 2a plus y a minus b equal to a square minus ab plus b square, right? Now after that, y into a minus b equal to, can I write a square minus ab plus b square, and this is minus b square upon 2 and minus b cube upon 2a. So y a minus b equal to, I will simplify this term. LCM is 2a, so I write here 2a cube, there it is, 2a square b, it is 2ab square minus ab square minus b cube. 2a cube minus b cube minus 2a square b plus 2ab square minus ab square, correct? So now I will write y into a minus b equal to 2a cube minus 2a square b plus 2ab square minus ab square plus ab square minus b cube upon 2a equal to y a minus b equal to, can I take common here? What I can take common? 2a square, yes, then a minus b. I'll write a minus b, and from there I'll take common b square, then again I'll write a minus b upon 2a. So y equal to, now I can write a minus b is common, right? And 2a square plus b square upon 2a, and y a minus b will come here, so I'll write here, cancel. So y equal to 2a square plus b square upon 2a. This is the value of y. Now ax plus by equal to c and bx plus ay equal to 1 plus c. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. What you have to do? Suppose that you want to eliminate y term, right? So the entire equation you have to multiply with a, and this entire equation you have to multiply with b. So I will multiply with a and I will multiply with b. So a square x plus aby equal to ac, and here it is b square x plus aby equal to b plus bc. Isn't it? Check it. B into b, b square, x, b into a into y, ab y, b into 1 b, and b into c, bc. Plus sign is there, so I wrote plus sign. Signs are equal, so I will subtract equation this from this. And here minus. So cancel. So x equal to a square x whole into a square minus b square. Here it is ac minus b minus bc. ac minus b minus bc. Correct? So now x equal to ac minus bc minus b also I can write upon a square minus b square. So x equal to, if I take common here c, so a minus b and minus b upon a square minus b square. So c a minus b, a square minus b square, can I write a minus b into a plus b and minus b upon a minus b into a plus b. A minus b get cancelled. Now x equal to c upon a plus b minus b upon a minus b into a plus b. Okay, x equal to c upon a plus b minus b into a minus b into a plus b. I will write this. C upon a plus b into minus a b upon a minus b into a plus b. Okay, I will grab this one and I wrote the value of x here. C upon a plus b. Now this value I am going to put here in this equation. Ax plus by equal to c. Ax plus by equal to c. Now a x value is c upon a plus b minus b upon a minus b whole into a plus b by equal to c. Now multiply ac upon a plus b minus bc upon a minus b into a plus b. How? I just multiply a into c, ac, and a into b, ab plus by equal to c. So by equal to, I'll write c minus ac upon a plus b minus will become plus ab upon a minus b into a plus b. Correct? Now dy equal to, if I take LCM, I'll write a plus b into a minus b. So c into a plus b into a minus b minus ac multiplied by a minus b, and here it is only ab. Check. Right? Now y equal to what I'll write? By equal to c upon a plus b into a minus b divided by a plus b by a minus b. From here a minus b and a minus b is common and c is also common. So c into a minus b I'll take common here and I'll write a plus b. Okay, a plus b and minus a. Check from these two terms. I'm taking common c and a minus b, right? Then what remains? A plus b, and here it is minus a. And plus ab, I'll write plus ab. And a plus b into a minus b. And can I shift this b here in the denominator? Right? So y equal to, I'll write now c a minus b and into b upon this entire b into a plus b into a minus b minus, sorry, plus ab upon b into a plus b into a minus b. B will get cancelled, B will get cancelled, a minus b and a minus b will also get cancelled. So what remains? Y equal to c upon a plus b plus a upon a plus b into a minus b. This is the value of y. Now, this is given in standard form. We have to simplify this. First, to simplify this. So, a minus b into a plus b. So, a plus b minus a plus b, right? cy b minus a into b plus a. So b plus a and minus b plus a. B plus a minus b plus a equal to 2a upon a plus b. Now minus a plus a and minus b plus b. So ax 2b upon a minus b into a plus b plus cy. Now check, here it is given b minus a, but here it is a minus b. Okay, to bring it in the position of a minus b, to bring it in the form of a minus b, if we will take common minus here, that minus will directly multiply with this. So cy and a plus a is 2a and it will become a minus b, and a plus b I can write, b plus a I can write a plus b, equal to 2a upon a plus b. Now check, a minus b and a plus b is LCM. I will subtract both the equations, so it will become 2abx and it will become 2acy, 2abx and 2acy, right, equal to 2a upon a plus b. Now this a plus b I can cancel. Now here, if I take common 2a, so it will become bx minus cy upon a minus b equal to 2a. A will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, right? So what remains? Bx minus cy equal to a minus b into 1, that is a minus b. This is our equation number 3. Correct? Then I will solve this equation 1 and 3 now. Bx minus cy bx minus cy equal to a minus b. This is our equation number 3. Now, what do you have to do? If you are going to simplify 1 and 3, and suppose that we are going to electron y, only we have to add both the equations. The signs are also different and coefficients are equal. So bx plus cy equal to a plus b, and here it is bx minus cy equal to a minus b. Cancel it. Bx, 2bx, bp will get cancelled, equal to 2a. So x equal to 2a upon 2b, will get cancelled. So x equal to a upon b. Now put the value of x in any equation. In equation 1, put the value of x in equation 1, right? So bx plus cy equal to a plus b. Bx value is a upon b plus cy equal to a plus b. Cancel. So a plus cy equal to a plus b. So cy equal to a plus b minus a. Cancel. So cy equal to b, then y equal to b upon c. So x value is a upon b, y value is b upon c. Now this is equation 1 and this is our equation number 2. Okay, now we have to convert it into standard form. So it's already given, but this one a into x, ax, a into y, ay, b into x, bx, and b into y, by equal to 4ab. Now xx, a plus b, y, a plus b equal to 4ab. This is our equation number 3. Now check 1 and 3. Suppose that you want to eliminate y. It's better to eliminate y because their coefficients are equal. A plus by, a plus by. I can write a plus b whole into x, a plus b whole into y equal to 4ab. Right? Check a plus by, a plus by. Only we have to subtract. So subtract 3 from 1, or you can subtract 1 from 3 also, not a problem. So a minus b whole into x plus a plus b whole into y equal to 2a square minus b square. Here it is a plus b whole into x plus a plus b whole into y equal to 4ab. Now minus and minus cancel. Now x, if I take on x, then a minus b and minus a minus b. Okay, directly I am writing a minus b and this minus a minus b. Here it is 2a square minus b square minus 4ab. 2a square minus b square minus 4ab. So bb, a will get cancelled. So x into minus 2b equal to 2a square minus b square minus 4ab. So x equal to this entire term divided by 2b, right? So write x equal to 2a square minus b square minus 4ab upon minus 2b. We will take minus common here. So b square plus 4ab minus 2a square upon minus 2b. So b square is 2b square, sorry, it is 2b square, so I'll make it 2b square here and 2b square here and 2b square here, then here it is, right? Then again 2 I'll take common, so b square plus 2ab minus a square upon 2b. 2b will get cancelled, so b square plus 2ab minus a square upon b. This is the value of x. Now put the value of x in any equation, we will get the value of y, right? So that part I am not going to solve. That is your assignment work. You have to do it, right? I am going to solve now question number 10 directly. Okay, now this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2, right? As you can see here, we have to simplify this equation. Okay, so x a minus b, if I will take LCM a minus b, so it will become a minus b, a minus b, a minus b whole square, and this a plus b. Similarly, y, it is a plus b, so I will write a plus b whole square minus ab, right? So x a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus ab upon a minus b. Y a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, okay, minus ab upon a plus b. So x a square plus b square minus 2ab plus ab minus ab upon a minus b, and this term I'll bring here. I'll write a square plus b square plus 2ab minus ab plus ab upon a plus b equal to 0. This is our equation number 2. Correct? Now check. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now suppose that you want to eliminate do one more, take LCM. Don't end your equation 3 here. Okay? Go for further step. Go for further step, and these are a minus b into a plus b, LCM. A minus b into a plus b. And x x into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So directly I can write a cube minus b cube. Here it is directly a plus b, a minus b, y into a cube minus b cube. That is a cube plus b cube. Okay, equal to 0. X a cube plus b cube minus y a cube minus b cube equal to this into entire term equal to 0, and this is our equation number 3. Now you can check. This is more simpler than the previous one. Now this is x plus y equal to 2a square. Now try to multiply. So suppose that you want to eliminate y, that entire equation you have to multiply with a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube x, a cube minus b cube y, and 2a square into a cube minus b cube. Here it is a cube plus b cube x minus x and y into a cube minus b cube equal to 0. This is going to cancel, so x equal to a cube minus b cube plus a cube plus b cube equal to, we'll multiply it, 2a to the power 5 minus 2a square b cube. Cancel. X equal to x into 2a cube equal to, don't multiply this. Okay, leave it as product form, 2a square minus b cube. So it is 2a square into a cube minus b cube. So x equal to 2a square into a cube minus b cube upon 2a cube. Cancel. So x equal to a cube minus b cube upon a cube minus b cube upon a. Similarly, if you put the value of x in any equation, we will get the value of y. Thank you.
Done. Yes.